Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn on Xbox mode in your Windows 11. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it in the search box, settings, and then hit enter. And then in the setting page, in the left side menu, you will find gaming option here. The gaming menu, you can click on it and you will find Xbox mode. Click on it, and then to turn it on, you can just click this toggle, click it, and it's turned on. And if you want to show Xbox mode in task view, you can just click this toggle to turn it on. And if you want to show accessibility control hints in task view, you can just click turn on. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.